Hi, I'm Sushil and I will be taking you through a demo of our FOS Android app developed for data acquisition on the field by a FOS representative. Please note that this is a prototype of the real app and currently most of its features are under development. From the menu, select the Google Local app. You will see the uploaded business listings for which we need to capture photos, geocodes, and also verify and edit business details. Select the business you want to edit. Selecting is just touching the screen. This will open up the business details page. This page consists of all the fields such as name, address, telephone number, PIN code, city, state. These fields are auto-populated. However, if you need to verify or edit any details which are incorrect or missing, you can anyways just touch the field and it will open up an editable box. Next, to take pictures and tag it to the business listing, like this one, you need to click on menu and click on take picture. This will open up the camera. Once you take the picture, you can either accept, retake, or cancel the captured image. Right now I'm just cancelling this. This will take you back to the home screen or the business details page. As you can see, there's a previously captured picture here and it is getting tagged to the business listing. You can also record voice notes where there is additional information provided by the business owner for which there is no field in the app. To do so, just click on menu and then click on record. This will open up a voice recording app, and to record just click on the record button and this will start recording your voice commands. Once you are done, just click on stop and this will ask you two things. First, whether you want to use this recording or whether you want to discard it. Right now I just discard it. This will take you back to the home screen or the business details page. Now let's move on to the most important function of this app, geocoding the business location. To geocode a business location, click on menu, then click on map. This will open up Google Maps for you. Zoom into the area where you want to map the business. Once you have found the location, just touch your screen where the business location is. There is a marker which will automatically move on to the selected location, and this will automatically save the geocode for that business. Please note that this app uses automated geocoding based on the address entered in the business details page. Therefore, when you just select map, it will be already geocoded on the app. However, if you feel that the places that is mapped is incorrect, you can anytime correct it by moving the marker to the correct location. And finally, we should be able to download all this collected data onto a remote server and extract whenever required. That is the main purpose. Thank you for watching.